Hello and good morning. You can probably hear the mess that's going outside. Of course, our place is doing construction. Saturday, 10 a.m. Cool. I woke up kind of late, and I'm not mad because that's God telling me I just need to rest, girl. Like, you're doing too much, or not necessarily too much, but you're not doing what I have the desire for you to do. And I'm like, okay, Jesus, I'm gonna listen. We are going to eat breakfast. Go to the gym. I have to wash my hair, as you can see, but it is raining, so I don't know if I still want to straighten my hair or not. I'm gonna at least wash and blow dryer and then go from there. I gotta put my sheets in the washer before I go to the gym. I'm telling y'all, like, bit by bit, but this is how, like, my thought process is. I did get some wigs from Believe in Hair. I'm recording those videos today. I also have to build my organization for my bathroom this week. Okay, no, for real, like, I actually have to, because if we're supposed to get the TV mounted, like, the place kind of needs to be together. Y'all already know what the breakfast is: eggs and bacon. What's new? I'm not sure who or where I heard this from, but they say if you eat salty or savory things in the morning, then you won't crave sweet things later in the day. That hasn't really been true for me, but you gotta trick your mom. I am getting really excited. Like, my motivation has surpassed discipline now. Now it's just like pure results. So it's been 5 days consistently posting on YouTube, and I already said that I would repurpose my TikToks. So I've been posting my TikToks, and they have been getting views on YouTube. So I'm happy about that. I posted a vlog, so if you haven't seen that one, go back and see it. What are you doing? And now it's time to have other long form content, like wig reviews. Well, I don't want to say wig reviews because I don't want to turn into a wig influencer, but I don't want to block no blessings. Because if y'all see on my page, literally years ago, I've done hair reviews before. More sit down videos, because y'all do like that. Updating you on my credit score. Good news about that. And then even just like with TikTok and everything. So it's crazy to think that my YouTube page is 8 years old and I was posting about being in Barbados in 2017. Imagine if I continued posting then. And I will say, I don't want to fault myself for not posting. There was a lot of things I went through, and honestly, the desire wasn't really there. I wouldn't want to connect myself to a job or projects that I didn't have the passion for, because a lot of people say when it comes to content creating, you have to actually like it. And it was a hobby that I would just pick up and put down anytime I wanted. Dang it, I need to charge my watch. I'm gonna take my vitamins since I just finished eating. And then we are also going to use our sweatband with Sweet Sweat. I'm at this stage in my fitness journey where all I want is abs, like visible abs. So not like these little two lines that's trying to poke out. Girl, we trying to be Superman strong. Basically 2 hours later, so I don't know how time went by that fast. Let me go ahead and put these sheets in the dryer. My husband did laundry, so yeah, he gonna have to get these clothes when he get back from work. I also have to get gas, go grocery shopping, of course. Like push-ups. I didn't do push-ups today. I did some calisthenics, like pull-ups, dips. I did some triceps on the cable station. I am just like, it's the week before, it's the week before, so I know my strength is like depleted. We literally have so much laundry because we wear 2 to 3 outfits a day because we're going to work, going to the gym. Like, yeah, so our laundry has become a nuisance. So that's 2 loads because I already did the sheets before I left. My husband did a load yesterday, and then 1 load of dishes. I just cleaned out the fridge, so we now have space. I had to take a break eating cold pizza. We had Domino's last night, so that's why I was at the gym for like 2 hours. Oh, I need to see if I got my steps in today. I'm doing a challenge with one of my friends, and she always closes all her rings. Hello and good morning. It is Sunday. Y'all, I was tired yesterday. Basically, that's all I really did. After eating them 2 slices of pizza, I was sitting down on, you know, TikTok and YouTube a little bit. But y'all, we are back at it again today. I already had my 10 o'clock call, and I feel bad because I was late to that, because I don't know why I slipped my mind. So I already have to put it in my calendar for next week. It was fun talking with the girls. So yeah, today the dryer is already going, which is a good sign. And I gotta do my hair. So that's the 2 things that are like non-negotiables. I have this day raisin bread. I have to defrost. We do vegan cream cheese. It's vegan, right? 100% dairy free. I don't know if that's the same thing. And then my bacon. I also want to show y'all how I measure. People always ask when I measure out my food, how do I do it? So I put this on the plate, and then you see it's already at 0. And for the cream cheese, it says 30 grams for 2 tablespoons, and then that's 80 calories. So I don't know if I could do this with one hand. Basically, you take your scoop and then you put that on there. That'll work out. We'll do like that. This is my food: 4 slices of bacon, cream cheese, 2 breads. I'm trying to hurry up before it gets cold. But now I'm gonna do my FitnessPal app. I reworked my macros, and that's where I'm supposed to be at. I basically eat to need about 50 grams of protein per meal. My hair is blow dried. I am now dressed for the gym. So yeah, I'll finish when we get back. I still haven't decided if I'm gonna straighten it or put one of those wigs on, but I kind of want to do a wig review before I use the wig, so then it's like a true unboxing. Okay, let's go. Who playing? The Knicks and who? This is mine. I just wanted something nostalgic. And obviously, I was hungry while food shopping. So Delicious would be a great sponsor. I have to get started with dinner, so let's go. Here's the vlog. Hey guys. I am cooking right now. We're doing, wait, it needs to focus. Okay, we're doing a taco bowl right now. Let me turn the music down real quick because I don't want to get copyright. But it's going to be lettuce, not lettuce. I keep saying lettuce. It's going to be rice, ground turkey, cheddar cheese, and then, I got to see if I have taco sauce. I'm pretty sure I do have taco sauce though. That's funny. As soon as I put out the vlog camera, everybody left. The rice is boiling. We got to put the ground turkey on. So I'm going to use this knife for the ground turkey. We are off live. I'm gonna have to clean the kitchen a little bit, but I am going to track my dinner in my app right now. I just ate it, y'all. Devoured. For breakfast, we had 460 calories, and then for dinner, we had 390 calories. Waffle Crisp. I have been craving Waffle Crisp. And then this is a new one. Have you guys tried this? Part of me wants to start drinking goat milk because apparently that's better for me. And then we got almond milk. Okay, I don't count my calories often. I've had people ask me like, oh, why do you count your calories? You're like, you're in good shape and this and that. I'm trying to lose fat. I'm trying to lose fat, which means I need to focus on my protein intake. And if we look, I have a hard time getting on my protein in. Look at that. The top one, I'm still supposed to eat 89 grams of protein. So yeah, the thing is to just get a little bit better each day. I gotta do my hair still. And I don't know, guys, it's already, no, I'm not on live. It's already like 8:30. I've been trying to build this furniture. You see, I gotta clean the kitchen up, gotta run the dishwasher, and then go from there. Y'all, why I go on TikTok live, right? And they said, why is your cereal on the top of the fridge? You need to put it in the cabinet. So then I showed them my cabinets, and they said tall people must not live here. Why? Yeah, let me turn the dishwasher on. I have to make my husband's lunch, but I also have to do my hair. I just took a shower. I got one of these little croissants, so I'm gonna have a croissant with, I'm gonna fill it with cream cheese and then turkey bacon, and that'll be my breakfast. So honestly, I should also make that tonight. Okay, we're gonna do that. Let me make sure it's a dish pot in there. All right, dishes are going. Turn off a couple of these lights. It's really bright in here. Gotta have that light on so you know the kitchen is closed. Hey, it's time to do my hair. I have two products that I like to use. I use the Color Wow, which you saw earlier, and then I recently got the Silken and Mist. I will say, I tried, this will be my second time trying it. The first time I put 350 on half of my hair and 400 on the other half, and it seems like I'll need to put this on a higher heat to get the results that I desire, which I'm no longer in like my natural curly wash and go phase at this moment because of my job. Like I was working from home previously, and then before that I worked in retail, so it was fun to like do my natural hair and stuff. But now I like sitting in the office all day. I'm thinking about going on TikTok live again to straighten my hair, but I don't know. Ooh, it's also kind of late. It's like 10 o'clock at night. And if I'm being honest, this hair might only last like one day because I want to straighten it, but then I'm also going on like a 5K tomorrow. I devoured it. It was so good. Thanks for asking. Hi, welcome. You see how he came in and said hi? But y'all getting upset at me because I'm not seeing y'all come in. Thank you. I finished half of my hair and I bumped the ends. This is what it's giving. So now I started on the next side. I almost forgot to show y'all the finished product. I did bump the ends on both sides. You see it has movement. I feel like this side is already like low-key trying to revert, but I was hot, so you see I done took my sleeves off. But yeah, I'm gonna just wrap it and then I guess show you how I wrap it. So I'm gonna try to only just comb. So I got like from crown to ear, and then we're just gonna comb that, but not the ends. We're not gonna comb the ends. Okay, comb that in the morning. And then you just wanna go over your part. So now, since I did this way, I will get my scarf and put the scarf on. We're gonna tuck the hair and turn the scarf at the same time. You see, it's kind of just like going in. Now that we're back to the front, you want to tighten this up a little, or a lot, honestly. So you just tighten that up. Make sure everything is tucked and covered. Tied it in the front. Make sure nothing is on the knot, so we don't get a knot on the hair. Take it to the back. You know, make sure it goes. So this is the hair. Put it right underneath it. And then I like to pull this a little too. there we go. Then if you want, you can still put a bonnet on. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna show you me making lunch because I'm gonna just do it in the dark, and I probably shouldn't, but I think I'm gonna steam that shirt in the morning. Yeah, I'm tired. Good night, everyone. I appreciate you. I'm excited. I still have high endurance, and regardless of where this goes, I'm putting myself out there, and that's all I can wish for. Thank you, guys.